Just a quick thank you to the distinguished panel and to Patty and iValley for opening up this opportunity. Thank you guys so much. I'm the CEO of Finnovant, and I'm going to take you through a little bit about our company and about our products, and then look forward to your questions as I wrap up. So we are a leading technology startup, and we're focused on developing innovative solutions. We have a lot of work happening in the space of biometrics, and one of the things that I'll spend some time to talk about here today is we have a crypto mining smartphone. So two kind of mainline products. Our flagship is our voice biometrics, and we call that SayTech, or Say Technologies. We also have a 20% ownership in a platform, which is your first crypto mining smartphone. This is based on the Android operating system, and we'll get into that in a little bit more detail in just a minute here. We have two cutting-edge AI patents that we're working through, and we have an incredible team. One of the guys on our team is here, Pat Wright. A quick call out to Pat and our engineering manager who can answer questions. We have a table out front if you guys want to stop by. We have an outstanding pipeline of market incumbents, startups, and we're in the process of generating revenue. So I imagine one of your questions is, how are we funded? We are self-funded at the moment. What we would like to do is look for a strategic investment partner of up to $5 million in the first quarter of next year. So our vision is simple. We really want to become a global leader of innovative solutions. We're focused on blockchain, we're focused on artificial intelligence, and we really want to help companies improve the way they interact with their critical information and help them to build solutions that their customers really like, solutions that are easy to use, that help improve their business. And we really are focused on the best customer experience. So our flagship product is our voice biometric product, SayTech. And we offer other modalities. So voice biometrics is one aspect of authentication. But we do offer facial, we offer fingerprint, and retina scanning. We find that the voice biometrics are the clear winner of the different authentication opportunities. And anytime that you forget your password to access a website, imagine if you could use your voice instead of having to go through a 10-minute reset process. So we've got some great use cases that we can talk you through and show examples of this at the booth. The smartphone itself, we call it the Phoenix X1. This has a dual operating system. It has SayTech embedded in it. So the voice authentication controls access to the secure area of the phone. So just imagine for a minute, all of your banking apps, the crypto that you're purchasing, your private key, all this information which is unique to you, you can store in this secure area of the phone and keep fraudsters out and keep your information secure. There's a secure chip on the phone, and it has a lot of technology built into it. So we'd love to show you that as well in more detail at the booth. The phone itself can mine cryptocurrency, so we can show an example of that as well. And this is very convenient. So we have a 20% ownership in this product line and unique rights to sell it globally except for China. We've got several programs and awards that we've gone out and worked with different companies in the industry, and some excellent market traction with a sales pipeline which is very strong and that we're building up as we go forward. So with that, 30 seconds. So for the companies that we have listed here, we can also get into more detail about those organizations and how we're working through our sales funnel and how we're differentiating from our competitors, which you might also ask that question. I'll take questions.
Thanks. You're playing in a nice broad space here. Might help. Who do you consider to be competitors in the space? And as I said, you're covering a lot of bases. How do you help people who are contemplating parting with their money? How do you just kind of clarify fundamentally what problem you're looking to solve?
It's a good question. So on the voice biometrics, there's companies like Nuance, which are the 800-pound gorilla in that industry. So for example, if you go to Fidelity or just about any large financial institution, they may have implemented their product. Where we play in this space is in the voice biometrics, there's a thing called passive and active. And passive is where you sit in the background and kind of listen to somebody talk. We have an active approach, so we actually require you to speak something different every time. And that's how we identify the person uniquely. So this is a very important difference in the authentication space globally. With the device, we've integrated the voice technology in the device. Right now on the market, nobody has actually built what we've built. So this is truly unique. Now Apple is heading in this direction, HTC, Samsung, and you see press announcements on this over the last 6 months, but we still are in this space fairly uniquely with